Let me tell you what happened. The fitness pan my car did up, me did go renew it. So me say me already downtown, let me go look for spirulina. So when me walk through the market gate, me see this van with a whole of bush in it and herbs. When me know people use for sickness and all sort of something. So me say, me go ask them if them have it. Me no see nobody, so me shout, who a sell ya so? The seller beside the van say, she no there. Me don't know she gone. She might soon come back. By the time she finish say that, same time me see this dark black woman bust the corner. Me remember how her eyeballs them did white. She never say nothing, but me know say she was the seller. She looking at my face. The loose skin pan her hand did a drop pan the ground. Without thinking, me look pan her and say, our car's that. The woman no pay me no mind. This time me talk louder. So me look pan her again and say, our car's that. The stretch mark them pan her hand was thick and deep. Me never see that before, so me did curious. It looked like drunk draw brakes in her hand. That's why me did ask her, our car's that. All now the woman no answer me. She just look straight in me eye, then me get the message. And at this time I realize me too bright and fast for you ask the woman about her business. And because me health conscious, me did want to know what. She must see that say, I wonder where this man a bother me for the Lord I went one. Me know say downtown Kingston me there, where them kill people if them chat too much. I mean I know who this woman know. So me ask her if she sells spirulina. She look at me and say no. When me a walk away, it run across my mind say, it look like this woman did fat, now she mager.